Okay, so let's talk about how you can permanently delete all text messages on your Android phone. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can select and delete the entire conversation. So if you have like a couple of messages in there, you can hold down on the thread and essentially click on the trash icon and it will make it disappear. It will just be removed, right? Keep in mind that if you are removing it this way, this kind of depends on your application for the messages. But if you delete them like that, you give them or move them to the trash, you need to make sure that you also remove it from the trash. As you can see in my Samsung messages, I can tap on the three dots icon right there and I can go to the trash folder. And if I have deleted something in the past, it is still going to be here for 30 days. So just pay attention to it, as obviously if you delete it like that and if it's still in trash, it hasn't yet been permanently deleted. But it also works this way on some different platforms. Like if you are using Google Messages, you can expect a very similar way of functioning. You can hold down on the individual chats and remove them. Some apps even have the delete all button, right? So not only a single chat or messages, single message, right? But also every single thing can be selected if you click on select all right there, and you'll be able to delete all of the messages. So you can even do all that with a click of a button and then empty the trash and you're gonna be good. So that is how it works. Let me know below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials in the future, and I'll catch you later.